Today, you are going to learn the vocabulary words of living room. To easily understand these words, their pictures are also given here. By learning how to spell these words as self-study, you can further improve your vocabulary. So, let's start today's lesson. Living room. Living room. Living room. Radio. 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 Cushion. 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 CD. 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 Carpet. 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 Sofa. 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 Radiator. 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 Chair. 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 Television. 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 Window. 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 Curtains. 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 Lamp. 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 Table. 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 Fan. 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 Air conditioner. Air conditioner. Air conditioner. Thanks for watching. I will meet you in next video. Until then, scroll down and watch more interesting videos of my channel. And don't forget to like, subscribe and share World Pointers YouTube channel.